Coming to this year's Mecum Indy is this, a 1969 Chevelle Convertible, formerly owned by multiple Grammy Award winner Bruce Springsteen. Definitely born in the USA, there's deep ties between this Detroit classic, The Boss, and his 1978 song, Racing in the Street. It all starts back in 1981, when Bruce bought the vehicle to keep at his New Jersey home for use as his beachside cruiser. On summer days, it was quite common for Bruce to put the top down, load in a surfboard, and cruise to the Atlantic shore in what he soon christened the Blue Bazool. After a while, like any motoring enthusiast, he wanted to mix up the car's look and had it painted midnight black. Other rounds of updates and changes included new Coney shocks, exhaust headers, a heavy-duty front sway bar, polished Krager wheels, a Hurst-shifter, new carpet, and of course, a high-end audio system to blast the tunes. Along the way, one of the car's admiring fans was Toby Scott, an audio engineer who worked with Bruce on 18 of his albums along with numerous live performances. The pair regularly drove together and Toby frequently made comments about liking the car. That adoration wasn't lost on Bruce, and years later at a 1987 New Year's Eve party, Bruce handed Toby an envelope. Inside were the Chevelle's keys as a surprise Christmas gift. Over the moon with the new acquisition, Toby drove it that summer of 1988 before embarking on a multi-year overhaul and restoration. During that process, Toby took inspiration from Bruce's Racing in the Street song, a piece he was well familiar with, having met Bruce while working on the final mix of the 1978 Darkness on the Edge of Town album the song was found on. As such, the Chevelle, already checking the box for being a 1969 model year, along with that Hurst on the floor, was equipped with a 396 cubic inch V8 engine. It was topped with chrome valve covers and set up as if built straight out of scratch. An MSD electronic ignition system, painless wiring harness, and tach adapter was added along with billet aluminum and polished components. Toby also returned the car to its factory correct LeMans Blue paint color scheme. The extensive build was completed in 2020, and in August of that year, the car was put on display, complete with Bruce's surfboard, at the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame in downtown Cleveland. If you've been looking to get back to the glory days of classic muscle, the time could be right to head to Mecum Indy to become the new owner of this star-studded Chevelle. It comes with a signed letter from Bruce confirming his years of ownership, and with its recent revival, it's more than ready for the Mecum red carpet leading to center stage.